Battery relocation, intercooler stuff, blow off valve, some gauges, GLI steering wheel, looks like from a Mk4. Almost there. Next time I'm about to dry this shit in and out.
Yo, no lie, even though that shit looks trash, I kinda like the V6 steering wheel, bro.
It don't bother me in this Mk4. I kind of do like it too.
Yeah, I like the V6 steering
What I like on this thing is this wing. I like how this wing kind of
wheel. Carbon fiber and I can make them, bro.
Look at this. This wing looks alright. The only whack thing is that they drilled just right through the hatch with self-tapping, like screws. That's the only weird whack thing about it. And the only thing I probably would delete this. It's not too late for that anyway. But we almost there. About to get this exhaust down so you can put the 3-inch in. Go from there, because, bro, V's is starting to stack up. You know what I mean? The projects are starting to stack up. They're starting to stack up. We gotta get some of these jammies out of here. So here we go. Here we go. Ain't no intro, ain't no outro. Boy, niggas need a fucking a regular winch. All this money went spent on other stuff. We never spent the time to go get a winch. It's hot.
Yo, to put your camera in cinematic, not just
Bro,
record.
I think like the Jetta coupe might be too cool. God damn, that's hot. Big flame. Ain't no intro. We back at it. Trying to do, looks like we're pretty much a game of Legos, you know, piecing this shit together. I had to order some more couplers because I don't like some of that stuff, and whether trim some other stuff. Ran over to Tim's. He gave me a downpipe to sort of start mocking this one up with. It's kind of in the right direction. It needs to be shortened, and I was gonna make like my edits and tack weld this shit, like cut it up, tack weld it back together, and take it back to Tim and let him finish it. But before I do that, I have to put the rest of this fucking exhaust in, and that requires cutting off the tips. I'm not sure which end it is. I actually got to check when I get down there. But cutting off the tips and then welding these V-bands to it so everything works nice. In the meantime, I kind of moved the oil catch can, put like a regular bracket, a little bit more tougher, robust. We got the line, kind of just slices down right underneath the intercooler, the charge pipe. Runs a little bit underneath the coolant reservoir and just ends up right here on this nipple. Just vented the atmosphere. This is not making enough boost and power to have, you know, another line on it. What I'm really missing to finish is I need a coupler here. I need a bunch of worm gear clamps and T-bolt clamps to clamp all the stuff together. And after that, once we get the front covered, and this is our little return line for our diverter valve or blow-off pipe or blow-off valve, which is kind of like down there. It's not really in its main home just yet, but after that, we can actually pop the computer on and cut it on and see what's what, and then really start having fun. Other than that, I think we got a few gauges in the mail. Let's see. We're working with oil pressure. We got a boost gauge in here somewhere. I'm still waiting on AFR, Turbo Smart. And then that's our wires for the relocation. For the battery, pretty sure we're just gonna park it underneath here. And make it pretty simple. I still got the front to clean up. You know, I was waiting for these gauges, put those in next. But it ain't looking all that bad. I'd say maybe a little bit more time we got left. I don't know what we're gonna do about that dash and that tablet there, but whatever's clever. So I gotta run down to the store. I gotta grab the whiz wheel. I think we were using it to cut stainless steel sinks and mount those into the kitchen. So, but I need that to cut this exhaust out and to start making my pie cuts on that downpipe over here. And tack welding it. We're gonna bust out the welder and get to that. But for now, I'm hungry, so I'm about to go eat. We'll come back to it. I think we also got another manifold, intake manifold, popping up in the mail either later today or tomorrow. And after that, we pretty much have everything. So stay tuned. Ain't no outro.